Hi guys, great news. We are down to our last 6 lowercase cursive letters. So today we're going to tackle 2 of the easier ones that are left. One of them is a little bit funny on how it hooks to other letters. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. But the first letter, not too tough at all. I'm going to start on the floor and I'm going to slope up to the tabletop. So this looks like the beginning of the I, the T, the letters that all had that slope up, even the R. When I get to the tabletop, I'm going to retrace and pull back all the way into the basement. Now that looks like a J. So this whole move is something we've done already. I'm going to retrace back up again, and this time I call this part the belly, and I'm going to put a rocker tail underneath the belly, and I'll bet this is an easy one for you to guess. That is a P, and you can see it right inside the cursive letter. It goes the same way, the belly is the same shape. So let's put all of that together. Slope up to the tabletop, pull back to the basement, retrace, belly, and rocker. And that's it. That's your whole P. So this is going to be an easy letter to connect to something else. So if I make a P, I'm going to connect it to E and all the way to the ceiling, retrace, tail, cross, and we just made the word pet. Hopefully you do a better job on your T than I did on mine. I got a little bit of a bubble in there. Remember, as you make these, we don't want any TPs down here at the bottom. So we're going to close those TP doors, trace that T the whole way back down to the floor. Okay, so we have our P, not too hard. Our next letter, by itself, really easy to make. You'll see what I'm talking about. I'm going to start on the floor. I'm going to go up to the tabletop, curve over, and back down again. And right now you're looking and you're thinking, well, it looks just like an N or an M. You're right, but when I get to the floor, I'm going to curve back up again and stop at the tabletop. So this part looks like a Y, but we're going to stop there. We are actually going to put a cross right through there, and this letter is an X. And you can see how they are very similar. Now, I reminded you when we started that this letter connects to other letters in kind of a funny way. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So by itself, up, down, up, cross. There's my X. If I want to connect it, and not many words start with an X, so I'm going to put the X as my second letter. So E, up, down. Now, when I'm coming back up again, that's my connector for my next letter. So I'm going to connect and make a T, R, A. Remember, we don't cross the T until we get done. And now you're going, okay, well, that doesn't look like that one. No, we still want to cross. That word is extra. So inside of that letter, let me get another color so I can show you what I'm talking about. Here's my X. Up, down, up. Only we kept going all the way up to the ceiling. It's still there. Up, down, up. We just used our up piece in our T. So my upswing is my connector piece for my next letter. So let's come up with one more word. I'm thinking to myself, I have a long one for us. Let me hold my board up a little bit higher. So I have E, up, down, up. Remember, this is the part of my next letter. C, E, L, all the way up to the ceiling, and make those tall and skinny. E, one hump, two humps, that's an N, all the way up to the ceiling, retrace, tail, cross. I'm going to go back over here to my X. This is the hardest part, remembering to cross. I'm going to cross my X, and we just made a huge word. That word is excellent, which is how you're going to do on your cursive today. So we're practicing a row of P's, a row of X's, and then you're going to make some words that have an X in them and some P's in them. For instance, apple, taxi, taxes, faxes. You can get an F and an X. And after today, only 4 more lowercase letters, and we're ready to start some capitals and get some of your names working. Practice your letters, send me a picture, and have a great day today. Bye, guys.